Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? And for today's video, I would like to share with you how to use want or how to say want in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Moshi moshi.
So yeah, let's study the word want today. So in Japanese, there are two patterns that you have to know in using or saying want. In English, we use this pattern I want plus noun. Example, I want computer, I want a laptop, I want a magazine, I want newspapers, I want a glass of water, and so on and so forth. So in Japanese, the pattern will be the word or the noun plus the noun plus the article ga plus the Japanese word of want is hoshii plus des. Okay, the noun plus the article ga plus the word hoshii, the word of want is hoshii plus des. Is it clear? Example, I want a computer. So I is watashi. And after watashi, the main topic or the main person is me. So I plus wa, watashi wa. And then the next one is the noun or the thing that you want. Let's say computer. So watashi wa computer ga hoshii desu. Watashi wa computer ga hoshii desu. Okay? So in Japanese, they don't normally say or they don't normally mention watashi since it's really obvious that the person who wants something is me or watashi. So instead of that, they just directly say that something plus ga plus hoshii plus desu. So let's have more examples. Okay, let's have I want an apple. Watashi wa ringo ga hoshii desu. Or just directly say ringo ga hoshii desu. Ringo ga hoshii desu. And then another example is I want a television. So you can say terebi ga hoshii desu. Let's say I want a cell phone. So let's say ketai ga hoshii desu. I want a bag. Kaban ga hoshii desu. So in other words, the first pattern means if you want something, then in Japanese you'll have to remember this pattern. Nani ga hoshii desu. Noun plus ga plus hoshii plus desu. This is used to formalize the statement.
How about you? What do you want? 何が欲しいですか? 何が欲しいですか? Please comment your answers below.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. And for the part 2 of this video, please make sure that you press or click the notification bell for you to be notified on the continuation of this lesson or this video. See you!